Welcome back. In this video, we are decoding one of the most unhinged, unfiltered Twitter timelines on the planet. General Muhoozi Kangaba, Uganda CDF, son of the president, and apparently the world's most chaotic main character. We are going post by post, ranking them from room temperature text to absolute scorched earth. Let's start cool, saving the best for last. I have achieved everything. My only challenge now is to get Beyonce. Okay, this is funny. If this were a stand-up special, it's a 10 out of 10. But when you are the head of the military joking about your only challenge being an American pop star, it's a strange flex. We give this a 2 out of 10 on the heat scale. Just vibes. Bobby Wine claiming Ugandan birth. Muhoozi replying, and so? Tanzanians are our beloved brothers. Intellectual drop. Now, we are getting some spice. Bobby eats him with the birthplace insult. Tanzania. Muhoozi doesn't even deny it. He just pivots to calling the opposition leader an intellectual dwarf. Goal, passive, aggressive, moving up to a 4 out of 10. In a report, a cabinet minister who claimed he is a leopard has provoked lions enough and is dangerously close to being arrested. Here is the veiled threat. Lions versus leopard. It's a metaphorical, but he is saying, I'm a lion, you are a house cat, and you are getting caged. The ambiguity makes it scarier, and that's a 6 out of 10. Before we look at what Muhoozi is saying about Israel, let's see this international development. J.D. Vance is warning Benjamin Netanyahu's administration not to mess around with the United States, saying they may end up losing everything. Vance says Trump is their last ally because the entire world already hates them. If I were in the cabinet of the Israel government, I might not be attacking the only powerful ally I have.
What I will say, and this does bother me, is that you've seen people within Bibi's cabinet who have come out and attacked the deal and in some ways very personally attacked the President of the United States. And I guess my message to them would be twofold. Number one, Donald J. Trump is the only head of state in the entire world who is sympathetic to the nation of Israel at this moment in time. And he happens to be the head of state of the world's superpower. If I was in the cabinet of the Israeli government, I might not be attacking the only powerful ally that I have anywhere left in the entire world. And the second message I would give to some of those cabinet members, Bibi, to his credit, has not gone down this path, but to some of these cabinet members in Israel who are attacking the President of the United States, the other thing that I would say is that over the last 3 months, 2/3 of the defensive weapons that have protected your homeland have been built by American hands and paid for by American tax dollars. The problem for Israel is not Donald J. Trump. And anybody in Israel who thinks their biggest problem is the President of the United States needs to wake up and smell the reality of the situation that country is in. Thank you all.
Now, Muhoozi, as he always brags about being ally of Israel and Israel might, said we capture parliament for Jesus Christ and the holy blood of the Bagisu. My great love for Israel comes from my late grandfather, the lost tribes. Okay, this is a 7 out of 10 for sheer conceptual destiny. He's mixing Ugandan royal destiny, that's Bagisu, evangelical Christianity, and the lost tribes of Israel. He says, we ran to Israel's assistance. This isn't a political twist. It's a spiritual manifesto. And boom, you remember one line from J.D. Vance, that Israel's only powerful ally is USA. So this means that the likes of Muhoozi are just toy ally because the rest of power, superpower, have already left Israel and are against the kind of Israel politics. I have instructed PLU to study how to remove Joel Ssenyonyi from being leader of the opposition as soon as possible. The gloves are off. This is no longer a suggestion. He is openly instructing his political wing to orchestrate a political assassination. That's metaphorically or literally of the opposition leader. That is a direct abuse of power. When we give 8 out of 5, 10 hit, he is not hiding it. Joel Ssenyonyi, before I arrest you, if I was LRA, you would not own your testicles today. We are in the inferno now. He is comparing himself to Joseph Kwanzaa LRA, not to deny it, but to use it as a threat. It won't castrate you yet, but I could. The casualness here is terrifying, and that's a 9 out of 10 fire. Lukwago is an intelligent man. He's definitely the biggest idiot that ever lived. Lukwago does not believe in the truth of our family. For that, he will pay. That's pure personal venom. He's insulting an opposition figure with a laugh, but then turns deadly serious. He will pay. It's a promise of retribution based on a family slight. Hit level is 9.5 out of 10. If he doesn't, I will hurt him a lot. If Ssenyonyi comes to me to ask for peace, I will not arrest him too. The coldest threat of all, he offers mercy conditional on a grovel. The phrasing is chilling. I will not arrest him too. He is already established. He arrests people. Now, he is granting a life raft. That is a 10 out of 10. Right now, I am only a CDF, but one day soon I will be the president of Uganda, and I will call both my uncle, President Kagame, and my big brother, President Tshisekedi, to resolve this issue. Save the best for last. Do you see this? He calls this current role only a CDF. He openly admits he will be president one day soon. He's not asking for votes. He's telling you the succession plan. And he's bragging that he has the leaders of Rwanda and Congo on speed dial to help him. This is not a tweet. This is a foreign policy doctrine. From Beyonce to thrones in Africa, that is the Muhoozi timeline. Gentlemen and ladies, stay safe out there. I'm signing off, but you can remember that Muhoozi brags of being allied USA. J.D. Vance says USA are the only strong ally. So, the likes of Muhoozi and Uganda are just toy ally, according to J.D. Vance. Thank you.